Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users might face when setting up screen time limits for their devices. The issue at hand revolves around a child Apple ID being created on a Mac and iPad using a friend's iPhone as the parent device. All was going smoothly until apps like Anki and Todoist started refusing to sync or update on the Mac, leading to a frustrating experience for our user. Now, let's get into the solution that saved the day. The culprit behind the syncing failure was identified to be the web content restrictions set as part of the screen time limits. These restrictions categorized the web addresses of the app servers as adult content, thereby blocking the syncing process. Once the content restrictions were disabled on the Mac, everything returned to normal, and the apps could sync seamlessly again. In summary, the key to resolving the syncing issue on the Mac was disabling the web content restrictions that categorized app servers as adult content. By making this simple adjustment, our user was able to regain full functionality of apps like Anki and Todoist. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this tech hiccup. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep those devices running smoothly.